In most forests below the tree crowns, we can find cavity-nesting birds that have chosen that area for the bringing up of their offspring. They can be divided into two groups. The first of them are primary hole nesters, that is, those that can cut a hollow on their own. The second is the secondary hole nesters, which use the hollows left by the primary hole nesters or inhabit those that were formed in a natural way, as defects in trunks or tree boughs. They also use nest boxes built by foresters.